Ask Tom on Home Show.
Lenny from Northwest Houston has a question about dryer condensation.
Yeah, her 2 dryers are getting this condensation after sitting overnight. And that's a lot of condensation, right? So,
Yeah, it is.
so Lenny says, I've had the vents outside replaced. Both vents video scoped. They drive, and the dryers dry fine. And both are new units. I've run maybe 15 loads in them. But the problem here started 2 weeks ago, and they're under warranty. But it seems to me it's a house vent issue, not a unit issue. What do you say, Tom?
I've had this question before, and the new dryers are so tight that it becomes a problem. And the manufacturers that I have talked to and the recommendations have been leave the door open. If you leave the door open, the condensation won't happen. Now, it happens certain times of the year, probably when we get more humidity outside. You might not have noticed at the beginning of the summer, it was so dry. There was no condensation anywhere. Ask the grass. They will tell you there's no condensation out here. There's no dewy grass in the morning. It was too hot and too dry. But now that we're getting rain and stuff, people are finding this is a whole new kind of an eco-climate system going on. I don't know if that's the right word, but you're getting a lot of mush, a lot of mosquitoes coming out of nowhere. And you know what? A lot of humidity. And if it's getting into the house and homes are being cold, you have a nice cool home with your air conditioner, you have hot, humid air in there, it's going to condensate on your window. I turn my air conditioner down right now to 68 degrees when I go to bed because I like to sleep when it's cold. I wake up in the morning, I can't see out my window because there's condensate formed on the windows because it's so cold and it's so hot and humid outside. I have to wait for all the humidity to dry up. So I would tell you right now, I don't think it's a warranty issue. I don't think you can change anything to make it stop happening, except I would leave the doors open if it really bothers you. And it seems like there's a lot, and there's a glass door. The glass door doesn't help. When you have a solid door that's metal or something, you wouldn't notice it. But if you ever notice, the dryer doors on the bottom tend to rust because those metal doors actually do condensate on the inside. You just never know it because it's closed and you can't see it on the glass. So the glass doors do show the dirty little tail sometimes. It happens on a dryer door.
We love a dirty tail. Send us pictures of it.
Yes.
Click on the Ask Tom button. Send it to us, and we'll answer your question just like that and probably help other people who are having the same problem. And then you can also send pictures too. If I was going to send a picture, Tom, it would be of me in the morning when I come outside my house and suddenly...
Okay, where are we going with this?
I'll tell you. And it's suddenly a foggy day as I walk to the garage every day.
How many have noticed that? It hasn't been happening until now.
It's like
because
now,
we have humidity now.
It's the dangest thing. Well, right now we do, but it'll come and go. And,
I know. Well, with the raining,
it keeps our skin looking younger. So, and we want to help you.
Yes.
We want to keep your house looking younger. So check out our answers on our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio YouTube channel. And of course, you'll find new videos at HomeShowRadio.com.